We'll get another batch and throw it in here. So second day we are trying this, and I decided since these rocks are so heavy that I would use other rocks to brace them in place until they set up, and then I'll go up a level. So we're starting again with the rocks. I got 3 sides there. She had to mix more mortar for this side. That one's not in place yet, but I'll put that in place next. And another thing we learned is this has to be a certain consistency. They say like peanut butter. I guess that's appropriate. But I have a way to figure it out. And you know, watch enough videos, you get a feel for it. So I think I'm doing okay today. Not the other day, but today much better. What do you think?
Yeah. You know, we'll see. I'm not going to count our chickens before they hatch because we have to see if it sticks to the wall. One thing, it's sticking down with support, but let's see if it comes off the wall tomorrow. Because if it does, then it didn't work. But if it sticks, success.
Yeah, and we
Time will tell.
can spend several days to make this right. So we're doing both posts, gate posts at the same time, starting at lower levels and making our way up. So this is what I learned to do. You take a scoop, you do this, and if it sticks, it's gonna stick. Look at that, it's sticking. I hit something hard in here. What's this?
Rock?
No, it's a chunk. It's a chunk of stuff. Break it up, thank you. The next day I came back and I scraped with a wire brush to clean off the stones so the cement wasn't stuck to those, because some of these stones are really pretty and I really wanted to show that off, and well, with cement on it, it wasn't going to work, and I didn't want to wait too long because I knew the cement would be that much harder to get off, if at all. So I was scraping this with a wire brush, and I tried to do that with all the stones that I had put up the previous day. So the stones are looking okay. A couple popped off when I pulled the spacers out, but that's a good start. We'll add another couple of layers today, maybe more if we can. This is one pillar. This is the other pillar. See that stone right there popped off of up there when I pulled the spacer out. So I have to repair that. And here's the other side. This looks okay. These are pretty big chunky stones. Another side. And here. Now all of these have to be brushed off with this brush over here, right there. Because we got mortar on them. As much as you try not to get mortar on them, it's kind of hard. Especially for beginners like me. So that will all have to be cleaned off. And then we're thinking about adding a stone enhancement on this to make the colors pop. And this stone looks like it's... No, it's on there, but it's got a big hole. We'll have to fill that with mortar. They're not regular, they're irregular, so they don't lay flat. I'm going to try and do flat ones and not so thick ones for the way up, but it's a long way up. It's a lot of stones. So we got another layer up on all 8 sides. This one too. But it is a beast of a job. But we will continue.
Okay, so Melanie was trying this liquid nails.
And it doesn't really stick.
And it doesn't really stick.
It doesn't hold, so I'm going to go back to the mortar.
Wiping it all off. Next to the mortar, if I go to the liquid nail, that other product was awesome. What was that?
Yeah, it's too expensive. I'm going to stick with the mortar.
Well, the problem with the mortar is it could fall off.
Big one right there is pink and it's quartz. Thought that would be cool because this land is full of quartz. This is the other post. We're about a third of the way with the stones. When I brush them off with a wire brush every morning to clean them because I don't want that stuff getting stuck on there permanently. We will be, it's not called grouting, but it is, goes in between with mortar, and that really holds them in special. So we're ready for the next layer. This has been about 4 days, maybe 5 days of work on 2 posts, 4 sides, so 8 sides. I'm going to try and go higher today. Try to stay away from real heavy stones because they just don't want to stay. So we got a bunch of stones here. And if they're thin, that one's really not that thin. But something like this, it's relatively thin. It's about 1 inch maybe. That's not that heavy, so I could go 2 layers up with a stone that size. And then I got a bunch of them over here. Now this one's pretty big. I might need to support it. I've been using those boards to press on them and support them to get to stay in place. I do have longer boards. Actually, those are 48 inches, these here. Could use those, but we'll see. We're just continuing to plug away at this job.